Hey there, in this quick video I want to talk about how you can fix the issue if your Amazon Smart Thermostat is not responding. There are like multiple advice that I found here on Reddit. So go to Home Depot and buy a dirty cheap damn thermostat for $20 and put in the value return. I had a horrible problem with this stat a few weeks ago and it turned out to be an Alexa app. It took a while, but an update fixed the issue. Is your app up to date? The stat should still work, and if it's not connected to Wi-Fi, try controlling manually by pressing the buttons on the front of the stat. So also someone wrote here this: in my case, my Wi-Fi was down. Once I fixed my Wi-Fi, the red exclamation mark was gone and it was back working. Also, you can try to just manually adjust the thermostat or switch off the breaker thing for the HVAC and turn it back on again. So this is something that you can try to do. I hope it's going to help to fix the issue for you. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.